Hello friends, my name is Biswa and welcome to Trending Tube. Friends, in this video I will be showing you a product from IKEA, which is IKEA bed that you see here. It's basically a double bed. You can think of the dimension is 140 centimeter. This is 140 by 200 centimeter. 200 is the, you can think of length, and then this is the width, 140. So I think it's ideal for two people. Even you can use it as a single bed as well, but it's called as double bed. The bed name is KLEPPSTAD. So this is the IKEA application that I have, and you see the bed structure here. The KLEPPSTAD is a bed frame, and the frame, so basically only for the frame the price is 9,990 rupees. You have to purchase the mattress cover additionally. So this bed is made up of iron, and the center part which basically cover the mattress, or which support the mattress, is made up of wood. So as you see, this is the mattress cover which we purchased additionally. So this mattress cover will be very much useful because you don't want to damage this mattress. So maybe you can see it from this side. So this is the mattress which we purchased extra, and if you see this design here, this is made up of wood, and this is very solid, and even it can withstand a very good weight when it is supported by an additional iron frame. And if you see this mattress, I'll remove this completely. So this is the mattress, and if you see the below section which support the mattress, so yeah, you just need to pay 10,000 rupees, 9,990 rupees for the frame alone. So this is the whole frame, and the mattress I purchased it for around 5,000 rupees, 5 to 6,000 rupees, and one more cover additional. And this section that you see here, this is also made up of steel. So to remove this also is very easy. So you can remove it just like this, and everything will be removed. See, it will be removed like this. And there is a zip here which you need to remove, and so that you can open this cover. And this cover, even behind this cover, if you see, there is a protection cover already provided by IKEA. You can wash this whenever you feel that this is dirty. So KLEPPSTAD, as you see here, KLEPPSTAD, and the dimension is 140 into 200. So let me put this back. Even there is a zip provided on the mattress. You can open this zip throughout and then clean this cover as well. So you can clean even the mattress cover as well as the main mattress cover which is provided by IKEA. Okay, and the legs are also, you can separate it whenever you are trying to assemble or deassemble. Okay, so there will be if you see, these are the adjustment screws, or maybe you can think of, so you can remove this, and then you can reassemble it for transportation. I'll provide the link for the bed frame, mattress, and the mattress cover, all three. Okay, so I think this video is helpful, and if you are trying to purchase a bed, IKEA bed, a strong IKEA bed, a solid IKEA bed, and within a budget range of 10,000 rupees, maybe of approximately $120 to $130, you can go ahead with this. Also, I will suggest you to first of all go and check it in the IKEA circular hub. If you find that in the circular hub, well and good. If not, then you can go ahead and buy it from the market hall. Thank you guys, thanks for watching and have a great day.